I want to give another try to show this set of examples. So let me go with this. So we are looking at a slope of say 1. Now let me show you guys how it might look. So this is the graph. That's our axis. Actually, let me take some weird quadrant. Say fourth quadrant. Okay, guys. So the marking is quite simple, Abhi. I'll just go with 1, 2, 3, 4. And here too it's -1, -2, -3, -4. So if we happen to see anything which is of this form, it has a slope of 1. But why? Well, it's quite simple. So if I happen to consider any 2 points along the line, say this and this, look at the corresponding value. So it started with 1 along the x-axis, it went to 3. Along the y-axis, it started from -4 and went to -2. Is this correct? Is the direction correct? Now, what is the difference over here? It's -2 minus of -4, which is +4, and 2, that's 2. So this is 3 minus 1, which is 2. And so the slope will be rise, that is 2, divided by run, that is 2. And so this is 1. Okay, so please understand that this particular slope can be anywhere, even here, or here, or over here. Right? Even this is okay, or even this is okay, or even this is okay. So it doesn't matter. Even this is okay. So all these are examples of slope of 1. Right? Then we have slope of 2. So let us keep this aside. Now, slope of 2 would look like, say if I start with -4 and end up with -2, but for a run of 1. So for every 1 run, I have a rise of 2. Right? Can you see this? Same thing again. So this is 2. So this I kept it to be 2. Right? -4 to -2, it is 2. The rise is 2. Whatever the run is from 1 to 2. So run is from 2 minus 1, that is 1. And so the slope will be 2 by 1, that is 2. Right? So let me make it a bit bigger. Again, this can be anywhere. This can be anywhere. Here, 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 here. Doesn't matter. The concept remains the same. Can you see the slope difference? Can you see that this is 1 and this is 2? Right? The slope is rising, getting steeper basically. Next, a slope of -3. That's what we have as an example. -3 means what? As and when we are moving to the right, it's reducing. For example, if I move from -1 to -4, let me erase this. If I move from -1 to -4, right? That's so -4 minus of -1. So this is -3. So -4 is somewhere over here. This is over here. But my slope is -3. That is for one jump, right? Say, let me consider from 2 to 3. So for one jump, I have this following scenario. So this is 3 minus 2. So which is 1. And this is -3. And if I join all of this gives me a slope of minus 3. Okay, so you can see it's a negative slope. It's falling, as in when you go to the right, it's falling. While the other two, as in when you went to the right, it was increasing. Here, as in when you go to the right, it is falling. So this is the difference. Okay, I think I've covered all of them. Right. So that's that. So let's move on to the next set of questions.